What if I told you that just $100 a month could grow into hundreds of thousands of dollars? It sounds impossible at first. But what if the only thing separating an average investor from a wealthy one wasn't how much they invested, but simply when they started? Today, we're going to compare four people. Each invests exactly $100 every month into SCHD. No one invests more. No one picks better stocks. The only difference is their age when they begin. For these projections, I'm using conservative assumptions based on SCHD's historical performance. Of course, the future is never guaranteed, but this gives us a realistic picture of what consistent investing could look like. Let's start with our oldest investor. Imagine you're 50 years old. You decide it's finally time to start investing. Every month, you invest $100 into SCHD. You stick with it for 10 years until you reach 60. During those 10 years, you've personally invested $12,000. Thanks to dividend reinvestment and long-term growth, your portfolio is now worth approximately $18,000. That portfolio is also generating around $600 every year in dividends, or roughly $50 every month. Not life-changing, but certainly better than leaving that money sitting in a savings account. Now let's rewind 10 years. You're 40 years old. You make the exact same decision. $100 every month. Nothing more. This time, you stay invested for 20 years. You've contributed $24,000. By age 60, your portfolio has grown to approximately $59,000. That's enough to generate about $1,900 every year in dividends, or nearly $160 every month. Notice something. Adding just 10 more years didn't double the result. It more than tripled it. Now let's go back another decade. You're 30 years old. Again, $100 every month. No market timing. No stock picking. Just consistency. After 30 years, you've invested $36,000 of your own money. But your portfolio has grown to $149,000. That's producing roughly $4,800 every year in dividends, or around $400 every month. Now we're getting somewhere. Imagine having an extra $400 arrive every month, without selling a single share. But here's where things get really interesting. Now imagine you're only 20 years old. You begin investing just $100 every month. Nothing fancy. No huge inheritance. No six-figure salary. Just consistency. 40 years later, you've personally invested $48,000. Only $12,000 more than the 30-year-old investor. But thanks to an extra decade of compounding, your portfolio has grown to approximately $349,000. And it's producing roughly $11,300 every year in dividends. That's about $940 every single month. Think about that for a second. The 20-year-old didn't invest dramatically more money. They simply gave their investments more time to grow. That's the real lesson here. Compounding doesn't reward the smartest investor. It rewards the most patient one. Whether you're 20, 30, 40, or even 50, the best time to start investing was years ago. The second best time is today. Because every month you wait is one less month your money has to work for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more SCHD projections, dividend investing strategies, and simple ways to build passive income, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.